Happy New Year, 2026.
Wow. That went fast. 25 went fast.
Holy wow.
We had a great 25. Thank you so much to our viewers, our subscribers, all the people who leave comments.
We crossed 1 million subs.
Yeah, we
crossed
did.
180 million views in the history of our channel.
Really?
Yeah. It's wild.
180.
Over 200 countries.
Yeah, almost every country that.
We're like Mr. Worldwide.
Well, I don't know, but
probably
it's all
not
because
Pitbull.
of you guys. So thank you so much
Shout
to
out
our
to
viewers.
Pitbull if you're watching.
And shout out to our fan from the UK.
Claire Harrison.
Claire Harrison sends us a calendar every year.
A card.
Oh, man.
Claire, wow.
We love you, Claire. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next time you're in town, come and visit us.
So as New Year's begin, people reflect on the year that has passed. They say, you know what? Had a lot of good things.
Yeah.
And then somebody say, well, there are some, not bad things, but maybe areas of opportunity. Kind of that when your boss sits you down and says, Paul, you've done a lot of really good things, but I'd like to talk about some areas maybe you could be better.
Oh, I'm sorry, boss.
So don't beat yourself up. And we were talking about this before.
Yeah.
Most habits that you're trying to change,
Yeah.
I think can fall under, if they're a good idea, fall under the pillars of health.
Yes. Frame your New Year's resolution into the pillars of health. So, I mean, you look back and reflect upon how the year was, but also equally important, I say more important, is look ahead to the year that's coming. And what are you going to do this year that's different, that's going to make you better, going to make you healthier, going to make you happier?
And don't ruminate on the shortcomings. No one's perfect. We all got stuff. Everybody's got stuff. Life is hard.
There were some dark moments in my year, I'm not going to lie.
I'm not, same. Like, you
Right.
know what? And yeah, you're just doing your best.
Just look
and just
ahead.
try to be better next year than you
It's
were
gone
this year.
now. If
It's in
you
the
had-
rearview mirror.
If you had some bad stuff in 20, it's gone. 25 is gone. 26 is here. What are you going to do? Brad, what are you
It's not
gonna
a Bryan Adams song. It's not
No.
like those were the best days of my life. You know,
No.
let's hope the best days are ahead.
No. Don't obsess about the summer of 69.
I know. So I run a Peloton, and this guy, Matt Wilper's one of the instructors.
Yeah.
That's what he said. He goes, you know, my old life is good and it's fun. He
yeah.
goes, but I hope that's not the best. I hope the
Yeah.
best is still ahead.
Right? Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. These are the best. You're about to start the best year of your life.
Okay. So the pillars we talked about before.
Yeah.
So nutrition.
Nutrition, movement, right?
Yes,
exercise, stress.
Stress.
Stress. You really want to reduce your stress.
Sleep. Get some
Gotta
good quality restorative sleep.
Restorative. That's one that came up in 25. I've
That's
never heard you
right.
say before.
Okay.
Social connectedness.
Yes, and purpose.
Right.
And the last one, substance
Substance
avoidance and
abuse.
reduction.
Come on.
Come on. Okay.
Yeah, you got to reduce the bad substances.
Okay. So usually we do 3 resolutions.
that's
How'd you do
good.
last year?
I think I did okay. I could have done better.
Yeah, same.
All right.
One of my ones was 3 books. I read 2 books this year, which is,
You read 2
I
books?
think it's 2 more than last year.
2 more than your whole life.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go.
Okay, so for me,
Yep.
my number 1
Yep.
is going to be to reduce sugar intake.
Oh, okay.
That's an obvious one in the pillar of health, right? It's because it's almost like substance avoidance for
Yep.
sugar, but it also falls under the nutritional pillar.
Okay.
All right, I'm just going to reduce my sugar intake.
Okay. I think number 1 for me is probably more down by number 5, like the social connectedness, like gratitude kind of thing. So I'm going to try to have a slightly greater attitude of gratitude and
Wait, did you say attitude of gratitude?
yeah,
Wow.
it's like a thing. I didn't make it up.
I didn't know you were a rapper.
Right. And think about things without having what's called a scarcity mentality. So sometimes, I think because of the way that we were raised or whatever, we focus more on like we're afraid of not having this or not having that. You're worried about what you have. So rather than being grateful for what you have and in the moment and thinking, oh, you know, it's fine.
Yeah.
You worry about all the potential things that could happen. And I think it can negatively affect or reduce your enjoyment of life.
Well, thank you for that one.
There you So
I just stole your resolution.
yeah. Okay. So,
All right. Number 2 for me
Yeah.
is going to be to try and remain connected with my children. I'm not saying I'm disconnected from them,
Yep.
but they're starting to move around the globe a little bit.
Yeah.
And, you know, they're growing up, and I think it could be easy to lose connectedness with my kids at this time, and I really want to keep the connection that I have with my kids. So that's going to be one of my focuses.
Okay, I love that one.
Fair enough.
So-
That calls on that's social connectedness. I think that one does.
Yeah.
And-
So mine's kind of like that, and mine's more that when I'm with my family, I'm going to try to be more in the moment.
Yeah.
So I have a tendency in the moment or in a conversation, unfortunately, I think about other stuff. Like it's crowded in my brain. It's a lot going on.
You need a burr hole.
So sometimes when someone's talking to me, I'm listening to them, but I'm also thinking about A, what I'm going to say,
Yeah.
or B, thinking about
Yeah.
something else. So
Yeah.
I really want to try to focus on being in the
Yeah.
moment. And one way that I'm going to really work to do that is putting my stupid phone away.
Wait, that's how I get a hold of you.
I know. So this is kind of an issue, but you know
So
what?
this has really put less Paul in your life. Is that what your resolution?
No,
I'm sure
no.
that's what you
but
told your wife.
And I think not even like turning it over or turning it down. I mean like either turning it off or putting it in a drawer.
Yeah.
Because I am so easily distracted. I'm like a dog and a squirrel. So I'm really going to try to reduce the amount of time I spend on my phone.
so
That's
be-
purposeless. Like I'm not really a scroller. Like
Yeah.
I don't scroll social media. I actually don't have a lot of social media.
It might be easier just to tell your family to text you.
That's it. No, so I'm going to try to be more in the moment.
Okay.
And like if I'm at a baseball game, I don't want to film the baseball game. I'm literally at the baseball game. So just be there.
Yeah. You forgot your phone at that last baseball game. One of the games you
I
went to.
did.
Yeah. You had a great time.
I was stressed for the first hour on the drive down, but then it was really freeing.
Yeah. I was like, why isn't Brad responding to
I
me?
know. Yeah. Okay.
Are we on number 3?
Yep.
My number 3 is to spend more time with my wife.
Okay.
All right, because this year that went by, work got a little bit busy, even though I tried my best to not let it get busy.
Yeah.
But I really want to spend more time with my wife. That one is going to fall under the social connectedness.
Yeah.
That one's going to fall under stress reduction because we enjoy each other's company, or at least
Yeah.
I enjoy her company. We have fun, and I find it reduces my stress. So that is number 3 for me. It's kind of about family this year, aside from the
Yeah.
sugar.
Yeah.
But just to spend more time with my partner.
So you kind of stole mine a little bit because mine's same about my wife.
You were going to
too.
spend more time with my wife?
No.
Oh, jeez.
How is your wife with my wife? Because our kids are all out of the house, so we're essentially empty nesters. And I think what happens is you spend time together, but it's not necessarily purposeful time. Like you're just driving somewhere, you're doing a task or whatever. But I really want to try to get back to having like a date night
Yeah.
because I think
What are you going to do? You're empty nester. You're going to lay an egg?
No, you're going to go out
Yeah.
and do something like
Yeah.
go do an activity or go to a restaurant or whatever.
Yeah.
And I think make it like non-negotiable time because if you don't
Yeah.
book it, like
Yeah.
it may not be the same day, but you almost have to have it on the same day, same time. Otherwise, there's something always that will
Yeah.
displace it, right?
Yeah.
If you don't make it a priority, people talk about, what's important to you? Well, look how you spend your time. Like do a journal for a week.
Yeah.
Write down how you spend your time and how you spend your money. That's what will tell you what's important in your heart, regardless of whether it's
good one.
what you want to be important to you or not. But if your family is important to you, you're going to realize, hey, look I spend a lot of time either thinking about my family
Yeah.
or doing stuff for my family or with my family. And I agree with you. Being The
Yeah,
Family Man, one of the best Christmas movies ever.
Yeah.
Nicolas Cage.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So good.
One of our mentors said that, just what you said, Dr. DeBeer. Remember, he with his wife, they would have I think it was a Wednesday night or something.
Yeah. Shout
It's
out
just
to
a
Justin
set
DeBeer.
time. Shout out to Dr. Justin DeBeer. They had a set time during the week where they just went for a run together or a walk together or
Yeah.
something like that. And he told me that years ago, and I didn't do it. I wish I
Yeah.
did. So now I'm going to start. Justin, I'm taking your
It's not too
advice.
late.
No.
It's not too late.
There you go.
And just, try to enjoy your life. Be grateful for what you have. Obviously, life is hard. Be nice to people. Our world is never seems like been more polarized and a little bit angry and the rest. Try to be nice to people.
Yeah. Listen, in the comments, we want you to leave
Okay.
your 3 resolutions that you're
like
going to do.
that.
Make them attainable, all right? Don't beat yourself up about last year's.
Nope, forget it.
It's a new year now.
Wipe the slate clean.
And just put down your 3 resolutions in the comments here so we have them documented because we're going to call you on it next year.
There you go. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to our channel this year. Come along for the journey in 2026.
Thank you so much for being part of this ride. We're really enjoying ourselves, and we hope you guys are enjoying hanging out with us.
And thanks to our team. We have such a great group of people that have really been helping us do the video, the editing, the production, all of it over at Pixelate. They've done such a great job. Thanks so much
Hamza, thank you, buddy.
Yeah. Thanks,
Pixel 8,
thanks
thank
to
you.
everybody that's with us along the journey. So we'll see you next time. We'll see you this year.
And just remember, you are in charge of your own health.